This is the story of a graveyard dog, a symbol of resilience and memory. This episode has been brought to you by findpetowner.com.
Every year, over 10 million pets go missing in the United States. That's nearly one pet every 6 seconds. But don't worry, Find Pet Owner is here to help. If you come across a lost pet, just snap a photo and instantly send a found pet alert to nearby neighbors and social media. And if your pet goes missing, it's one of the fastest ways to alert nearby neighbors and social networks. So download our free app today and enjoy instant peace of mind.
It is Sunday, no funerals today. Really heavy, and I just came to see Keeper. He's sitting right there. Ah, he's pretty clean. Well, I guess he took a shower. Looks like the other gentleman that brings him food in the paper plate right there. Looks like the food's been eaten. It's kind of windy. Time to pee. And then wipe his mouth somewhere. He's walking pretty close to me now. We all wish we could remove that dirt off his back. He's been collecting leaves, branches. Someone Buna, no water? No water today? It's windy. I think it's gonna rain again. It's drinking. Who knows where to go? Like some of the food Steve left yesterday, it's been eaten, but not all of it. Keeper's sitting there looking at me. I'm in the car. I want to go talk to the guy in the blue truck. He has come to the construction site. This is where he was born. I was told dirt is kind of warm, keeps him warm. And the food Raquel had left him, it's practically gone. Roy is the new security guard for weekends. He's been here for a month and a half, and he thought he belonged to one of the mobile homes, but I told him he doesn't. He belongs to the cemetery. And I asked him to keep an eye on him on weekends. Finally came back. Let's see if he's gonna take a shortcut. Yep. He's gonna end up at the storage facility. Yep, looks like he has to go back. Wait a minute. That gate is open. Why didn't he come in? Hi, Buna! Buna! Okay, lady, you fed me. Leave me alone. What do you want from me now? He got food there. Someone left him food. He is well loved and fed by many. He's sitting there quietly watching. There are a couple dogs chasing after him, and he's running away from them. Hey! Hey! Let me go find them. Dogs are still roaming around here. I don't see him anywhere. I think he's hiding from the dogs. I called the animal shelter and reported the 2 dogs. I hope they come and check them out. They're nice dogs, but they were chasing after him, and that bothered me. The maintenance guys are working, and I'm looking for a keeper. He's hiding. I hope he has a good hiding space. He's a smart dog. I'm sure this is not the first time this has happened. These dogs have been here before. See him anywhere. Good, he's hiding. I can't find him. Hopefully they can find him. Let me see if I find a security guard and tell him to keep an eye. I don't know where the dogs came from and how they exited the facility, but I don't see them here anymore. They're probably roaming around somewhere else. They seemed groomed as though they belong to somebody. I don't see them. I drove around the entire cemetery. He's nowhere to be seen. Wherever he's hiding, good for him. Maybe he's waiting for them to leave and then he'll come back. I'm gonna go to my appointment and then I'll come back again to feed him. I hope I see him then. I thought maybe he's hiding here. Typically he hides here. I don't see him. The gate is closed. I'm checking around the mausoleums, see if he's here. I hope the rain stops. Looks like it's not planning to stop anytime soon, but I hope it stops. Gives us a break. Where did he go? Come on, keeper. Where would you be? If I go home, my thoughts will be with you and I won't be able to work. I might as well find you. Where are you? Can't find him. I have never been this far into the cemetery. This is the older section of the cemetery. Look at these trees. They could just talk. Stories they can tell. The security guard also looked for him and he could not find him. And I drove around the entire place and I could not find him. And I hope he returns. Last I saw him, he was running away from the dogs and he came behind these bushes. So I'm gonna look through the bushes, see if I see any traces of him. I hope those dogs don't kill him. Oh, there's a dog in there too. So he was running away this way. Those dogs are barking at me. What's in here? I wonder he ran away this way. Where would he go from here? Well, he could go outside of the gated facility. I hope he didn't get out of this place. There goes that cat that I run into. I don't see him. I'm not happy. I'm not happy that I don't see him. I hope he's okay. I hope he returns. I could not find him. Looks like a blue car came and... Oh, you mean Raquel? Raquel fed him? Raquel fed him? That lady?
Just a little while ago, yeah.
Oh, so he's been fed. Thank God. But he looks pretty depressed. Oh. I don't think he's gonna eat this. Okay. Steve has filled up the bowl again. I was hoping that he would eat if Steve offers it to him. I called the police department officer Catherine Walthrope, and reported the dogs, and I sent the film to her. She is looking for the pit bull, but they know who the owner of the brown dog was, and they were going to go cite him. And he looks pretty sad. Maybe tomorrow, but looks like he's probably been eating. Like Steve is leaving too, it's time to go. And Keeper's still sitting there. You'll be okay tonight. They're not gonna come after you anymore. In the dark, we're all going home, and he's there by himself with all these spirits. Bye, Buna. Bye, Buna. Bye, Buna.